Have you ever wondered about the mystery of Voyager 1? Today, we're diving deep into this fascinating subject. Let me start by explaining the basics. The mystery of Voyager 1 is an incredibly interesting area that affects many aspects of our daily lives. First, let's look at the history and origins. Understanding where this comes from helps us appreciate its significance today. Now, here's something really interesting. The way this works is actually more complex than most people realize, involving several key components that work together. Let's break down the main points one by one, starting with the fundamentals that everyone should know. Another fascinating aspect is how this connects to other related topics and influences various fields of study. As we can see, the mystery of Voyager 1 is truly remarkable when you explore it in depth. The more you learn, the more interesting it becomes. Thanks for watching. If you found this video informative, please like, comment, and subscribe for more deep dives into fascinating topics.